everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya.
Today I'm here with a very special recipe and prepared in very special way. So that is, today I'm going to prepare palak kofta curry. You might have heard of many kofta curries, but this is very different one. That is, here the koftas are not deep fried. Yes, you heard it right. Today I'm not going to deep fry the koftas, and instead I'm going to make it a healthier version. So if you're on a diet and still want to have the kofta curry, this option is best for you. So shall we begin and see how I prepared these healthy version of kofta curry? Firstly, here in a pan, I am taking 1 cup of besan flour. Okay, that is the chana dal flour which we use for normal our pakodas and any fries. That flour, we have to dry roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now once it is done, just keep it aside. And next, here I am taking the fresh palak. Okay, this is nicely washed and chopped palak. This is around 3 cups of palak after chopping. So I am taking it in a bowl. Then here I am adding some salt. Okay, required amount of salt for the koftas. Then goes in some chili powder. Then half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Okay. Then 1 spoon of grated ginger. Okay, these are the things we have to add and give it a mix. And now we have to add the roasted besan flour, okay, which we earlier roasted it. Let's add that flour into the mixture. The flour actually here helps the palak to get the nice binding. Okay, now mix it thoroughly. Okay, once it is mixed, now you can see it is nicely getting combined. Now here I am adding 1 spoon of rice flour. Okay, this is optional, but this will give nice crunchy texture to the koftas. So after that, so we have to take one small portions from the batter and keep it on a plate. Okay, these are our koftas. Now next part, see, as we are not going to deep fry them, the alternative I am using here is the appam set. Yes, this is the appam set. Here if you are using the non-stick one, no need to add any oil. Just directly add the koftas. Otherwise, if you have the other one, cast iron one, you can add just few drops of oil and place the koftas in it. Isn't it the best option, best alternative than the deep frying? Okay, here I am covering it and cooking it for around 4 to 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes, let's flip them. You can see it has nicely turned into golden brown. But make sure you keep the flame to the low and cook it, so that the inside portion also should be cooked very well. Both sides now seem to be cooked. So it took me around 7 minutes on both the sides. So to check whether the koftas are cooked from the inside, just insert a knife, and when you take it out, you can see there is no flour attached to it. So it means our koftas are well cooked. So take them out on a plate, and here are our non-fried healthy koftas ready. Then now next process, we have to make the curry. So for that, here I have taken few onions, around 2 medium-sized onions, roughly chopped them, and 1 inch of ginger and few garlic cloves. Now let's grind them into fine paste. Now our paste is ready. Now in a pan, take around 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it gets heat, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, then half teaspoon of cumin seeds, then some turmeric powder, and 1 bay leaf and small stick of cinnamon. Then here we have to add the onion paste, prepared onion paste. and let it cook until the raw smell of the onion goes. This for around 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, then here I am adding the tomato puree. This is I have taken around 3 medium sized tomatoes and grinded it to fine paste. Okay, now to this mixture let us add the spices. It is half teaspoon of garam masala, again half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Then some chili powder. You can adjust according to your taste, as we have added the chili powder in the koftas also. Then let us allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So once our spices are nicely cooked, let's add our koftas into it. So after adding the koftas, just cover it and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now it's nicely cooked. So everything got combined well. So here is our healthy version of palak kofta curry ready to serve. Trust me friends, this was very tasty and I think you must give it a try. And as it is a healthier version of koftas, you can have it without any guilt. So I hope you like this video. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.